Hey everyone, this is Sophia. So, what is a constructor? It's a special type of method that enables an object to initialize itself when it is created. So, let's see the program. This is perimeter p1 equal to new perimeter, means here we instantiate an object, create an object. So when we create an object, it calls the constructor by default. This is the method perimeter, bracket is here, so this is the perimeter and it is a constructor, right? Whenever we create an object, we have to call a constructor. Exactly what I show here. When we create an object, we call a constructor. And Java, that's why Java provides it automatically. By default, Java gives you constructor when you create an object. When you create an object, Java calls the constructor automatically. And what are the features of constructor? It's a method, but it's different. How? Constructor has same name as class name. Look, this is the perimeter, this is the class name here, perimeter class, right? And constructor don't specify return type, not even void. You don't specify return type here. Even not void, but here is a method where you can see void, right? But here you can't see any return type, can't see any return type, can't see even void, and the class name is same as the class name. There are two types of constructors: parameterized constructor, default constructor. Here you can see this is the default constructor and this is the parameterized constructor. There are two constructors you can see here. Look, this is the same name, perimeter and perimeter, both are class name and both are declared in one place. But this constructor is parameter, but this has no parameter. So this constructor is known as default constructor or non-parameterized constructor, and this constructor is known as parameterized constructor. So when we initialize an object, here I initialize two objects based on the class parameter. So this object call the default constructor as there is no parameter here, and this subject p2 call parameterized constructor 2. Then here p1 dot, using dot operator I call this method and calculate the parameter. Let's run the program. You can see perimeter of rectangle 0 as there is no value passes here, and perimeter of the rectangle 30, there is passed to value x and y as 5 and 10. These are two instance variables, right? So this is all about constructor. So let's conclude it. So constructor is a special type of method that enables an object to initialize itself when it is created. Whenever we create an object, we have to call a constructor. By default, Java gives you constructor when you create an object. Constructor has same name as class name. Constructor do not specify return type, not even void. There are two types of constructors: parameterized constructor, default constructor. Thank you.